Welcome to Lexus Remington, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2022 Lexus RC300 Premium Package in the color Atomic Silver. Under the hood, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission, 3.5-liter V6 engine, produces 260 horsepower. You have 19-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have latches on the front seats to access the second row. You also have 8-way powered front seats with black New Lux leather throughout. On your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, headlamp washers, and blind spot monitors. And on your door panel, you have your memory seating, powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. Your leather steering wheel comes with paddle shifters, your Bluetooth and audio controls, and your cruise control and lane assist settings. You also have your multi-infotainment display controls. In the middle, you have a 7-inch screen display controlled by your Lexus trackpad. You have your dual climate controls, your audio controls, heated and ventilated front seats and heated steering, your mode selector, cup holders, and storage space in your center console. And in the rear trunk, you have plenty of space with your spare tire below and a manual closing trunk. So come down to Lexus Remington today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.